These color lines. Alright, first of all, let you and I get one thing straight. The game never been equal, ain't no food on my plate. I gave birth to the shit, you just took it and co-opted it and profited and packaged it and wouldn't give me half of it. Peep how I rash this shit and break down how you took it all. Break the culture, but you standing there looking all innocent. Take a mile when I give an inch, but now you getting rich. Is it a coincidence or is it ignorance? You don't know your own privilege, you own riches and don't know what homeless is. You got a lot to learn before you even think about hip-hop, black culture, and which minute you thinking out. Play nigga in the store, I don't think so, bro. My people ain't supporting your Black History shows, so stop what you're doing, we won't take it anymore. Before you come in my house, wipe your feet at the door. These color lines will make you break, you make you choose a side. These color lines been here since jump. I write these color lines, cause if I don't, I'll lose my mind. I write these color lines. I got more shit to say, okay? I see the color lines. It's tough that every other time a brother rhymes and white mothers think of other crimes. We keep our standards higher. We don't keep lower lines, but other times it undermines the fact that mine are over mines. All you gotta do is get past the guilt. We ain't living in the house that master built. If you overstand that, tell your people what you know, because one of them got enough money to pay back what you owe. Yes, my great gramps had land, had slaves. I guess the press disrespected off the bank he made. But I want independence, man, past the declaration. But one down-ass white boy can't pay for reparations. I'm running out of patience while they do the work of Satan like an impulse. And leaves Black history's an insult. Number one, I'm not gonna tell your story. I just wanna sit on my porch and drink a 40 and spit. Number two, cause you can smell bullshit. I just love hip-hop, man, pinky swear, that's it. If you love hip-hop, respect it. That includes the people who created it and paved the way for this so that you're making it. You're talking on who's making it. I'll play devil's advocate. A lot of black music has white dollars backing it. We've got it on lock, we revert on funny rockets. If you're looking for the keys, then you better check the pockets. I'll be checking pockets alright. Soon as it gets dark and all night, I'ma get my money, we can all fight. You taking out the high and mighty, and the kids, you say kill whitey, I say can I live? Shit, you're not like militant, killing is diligent. Grab my family grandma and light us up like a filament. Man, I thought we were cool, now I'm this close to giving in, just put a bullet in me.